Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set active status on Messenger. So you can go to the messengers and go to the settings on your messengers app, and here we go. This is the profile active status. You can tap it. So by default the active status is turning on. Your friends and connection can see when you are active or recently active on this profile. You can see this info about them too. To change the setting, turn it off wherever you are using Messenger or Facebook, and your active status will no longer be shown. So you can turn this off, but you can still use the Facebook or Messenger service if active status is off. Here you can turn this off until I change it, or 4 hour, 8 hour, or custom. So active status is off. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.